Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I'm going to cover the next topic, that is using math object and its predefined methods in JavaScript language. So let's begin. So math is a predefined object in JavaScript, and inside this math object the developers of the JavaScript have created a lot of predefined methods using which we can perform a lot of mathematical operations. So let me show you in this session with practical demonstration how to use the methods of this math object to perform various mathematical operations. So for that, let me launch Visual Studio Code editor, and after I launch, let me click on this, and here I'll say math-demo.js, I'll write. And here guys, I'll be using the math. Okay. Math is a predefined object in JavaScript, and say dot, and you'll get a lot of methods here using which you can perform different type of operations. That is mathematical operations. For example, we'll go with some method, max method. Okay. Inside the max method, you have to pass the values or values kind of stuff and all. So we have some reference here to understand how to use this math function. There are several math methods in JavaScript. Okay, so important ones have this reference notes here. Instead of we choosing randomly, we can go step by step here. The first one is you see, this is the way we use round. Okay, round is a method. So we'll start with the round method, math.round. And if I give a number here, okay, 7.36, 7.36, if I give, should create a round figure number. That is, if you give 4.6, it will give 5, okay, because 5 and above, it will convert to the next bigger number without decimal point, okay, and 4.5 is below 5, so it will reduce it to 4. So that is a round figure, okay. So let's run this code to see what is happening. Math.round. Okay, what does math.round? Okay, so I'll just go to the terminal and let me print it out. Console.log. Let me do the one thing, console.log, and here let me write down math.round. Okay, and run this code, node space math-demo.js. You see, we got 7.36, which is less than 0.5, right? That is, it will take 7. Okay. What if I give 6 here? It will convert it to 8. Okay. Decimal number will be removed, but 8 will come. It will round off to 8. As we have studied during our, schooling days, the round figure of the number. This is a thing. Okay. The round method will do that. You see, 8 came here. So this is a round method, which belong to the math predefined object in JavaScript. Now we have the floor. Floor means no matter whether the decimal point is more than 0.5 or something, okay? Okay, even though it's more than 0.5 also, it will take the floor value only. It will, floor will simply ignore the decimal point, okay? And give you 4 here. 4.9 will be rounded to 4 with the floor, okay? So console.log math.floor, and here I'll write down 4.9. If I give 4.9, it will give you 4 only. Okay, rounded value as 4 it will give you. Okay, now we have one more known as Math.ceil. Even though I give 4.1, okay, even though there is 0.1 here, which is less than 0.5, but still it will give you 5 here. Okay, it will take the ceiling value. Okay, but decimal point is there, it will take the ceiling value. 4 will be converted to 5 here. You see, we got 5. Okay, that's what is the difference between floor and ceil. Now the next one, round, floor, ceil are completed. Then random, okay, generating a random number. Console.log math.random. If I call this method, it will print a number in between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1 number will be printed. Okay, so let me clear this and run this code, and you see, this particular number is in between 0 and 1. You see 0.68. Again, if I run the same code, next time it will generate another number which is in between 0 and 1. 0.68, 0.55. So what if I want a random number in between 0 and 10? In that case, I need to multiply this with, in that case, I need to multiply this particular thing with kind of number like 11 or something so that you will get the number from 0 to 10. Okay, so here you have to multiply like this. Multiplied by 11 if I say 0 to 10. Okay, any of the numbers from 0 to 10 will be coming here. 7 came. Okay, 7 point something came. 7 point something came. Okay, so numbers between that is 7 came. Simple thing is 7 came. We can actually, you know, remove the decimal value of that number also. We can do that. Okay, so how to do this? Here you can simply write down math dot round off. You pass this part. Okay, you pass the value like this. Math dot round. Inside the math dot round, we have this math dot random. Okay, so now run this and see this time you'll get a proper thing like 0 came. This time 0 came. Now clear. Let's see what is happening. 1 came this time. You see random numbers from 0 to 1 will be coming. Next we'll see another one. 5 came this time. Random number 5 came. This time 9 came. Keep running multiple times. 1 came. 8 came. Okay. 11 is also coming. So we should be sticking this to 0 then in that case. Okay. Math.round into 10 is better, not 11. Okay. Because 11 is also coming. So I want it from 0 to 10 only. So, but 11 is also coming. So I just made it into 10. Okay. To make it better, I'm just making it to 10. 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 7, 5. Random number. Every time I run, the last number, if you observe, the random number is coming. Okay. Or else I can comment this part. I can comment this part so that only this particular line of code will be running. It won't be that much big. Okay. Let me clear this and run this again. 0, 7, 6, 0, 0, 3, 8, 3, 3, 0, 0, again 0, 9, 9, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 1. Let's keep running multiple times to see how, you know, in which range it is generating the numbers. If you want to see, you have to keep running it. 10. 10 also came, but 11 will not come. Okay. This time 11 will not come. Maximum is 10, minimum is 0. That's the reason I have run it multiple times. So you have to multiply by 10. If you want a number between 0 and 100, then multiply by 100. Okay. This time you'll get a number from in between 0, from 0 to 100. Maximum number will be coming as 100. Minimum number will be coming as 0, 92. Every time it will generate a random number here. Okay. So, sorry. Let me clear this. You see, number from 0 to 100 are coming in a random way. Okay, that's how we can use math.random here. This is a way to use math.random. Then what is the next method we have? That's okay. We can use floor or something. That's okay. Earlier I was using, random. Okay, math.round I was using. That is the reason I need to multiply here with, that's the reason I need to multiply with either 10 or 100. But if I am using, instead of round, if I am using, what was that, floor or something, if I am using floor here, if I am using floor method here, then I have to multiply by 11. Okay, that's the difference. So here round only I'll use and I'll try to multiply by 10. This is kind of easy for me to understand. Okay, the next random is done. Maximum and minimum also we can, okay, you have to give multiple values here, and out of all these values, which one is bigger, it will give you. So that is console dot math dot max, and here give a list of numbers like a 9 comma 1, comma 5, comma 7, comma 8. Out of all these things, okay, or like 15, okay, out of all these things, like 2, 3, 4, okay, I'm giving different numbers here. Out of all these numbers, which one is the large? Sorry, here 4, which one is the biggest one? Maximum one. 15 is the maximum one. Let's see whether that is happening or not. Let's go to the terminal line, clear this out and run this code. And see 15 came. Out of all these numbers, 15 is the largest. So maximum number will come. And if I write here math.min of the same values, if I copy paste here, in this all these numbers, one is the least. So we should get one in this case. You see, one came here, okay, which is the right answer. Math and min methods. And then we can also find the power of, okay, power of 2 power 3, 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 should be the answer, okay. So we can also find the power of, let me comment this stuff, which are already done demonstration with power. So console.log math dot, okay, power POW is a method here. If I give 2 comma 4, what will happen? 2 power 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. If I give 5, 2 power 5, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. 32 will be printed. Let's see whether 32 is getting printed here. You see 32 is getting printed. Okay, so 2 power 5 is getting printed. Like that, a lot of methods, that for each and every mathematical operation, there is a method in the math object in JavaScript. So using that, you can do a lot of stuff. Okay, square root. You can also find the square root. Square root of 25 is 5 5 is 25, so 5 will be the answer. Okay, square root of 25 is 5 5 is 25, so 5 will be the answer. Okay, so let's find the square root of the number. Console.log math dot square root of if I give 16, 16 means 4 for the 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 should be the answer. You see, we should get 4 in the output. Okay, square root. Then we can also find the absolute value also. Absolute value also we can find ABS function. Whether you give positive number or negative number, we should get the positive number in return. That's what is absolute. Okay. So console.log math.abs minus 36. It will convert the negative number into positive number, positive also into positive only. Okay. Positive it will keep as positive, but 36 came. Negative number got converted to positive number. That is ABS. So guys, with this, I cover a lot of other, methods which belong to the math object will be there in JavaScript to perform various several mathematical operations, but these are the major ones that I wanted to cover. Okay. I covered, as part of this, I covered round, floor, ceil, random, max, min, power, POW, and square root, and ABS. These are the different methods of math predefined object in JavaScript I have covered. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session where I'm going to cover another topic in JavaScript. So see you there. Bye everyone. Take care.